There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue.
Alright, so we're out at the outer reef this time, and we're diving 3 reefs. So we're trying to take off 3 reefs today. Romeo just pulled up a trout. That was our first fish of the day. And yeah, that's him right there. Not a big one, but a nice one for the esky. And we are just keen. We saw dolphins as well before. A lot of stuff's happening right now, and we're just gonna dive straight into it. The old man's on for a fish. Yeah! Oh. Old man.
Yeah, it's on there, man.
Yeah, there's a fish. He's on.
Oh no.
Nice little GT. Wait, do we want to gaff him though?
No. Just hold on, glove and tail wrap. Did you fall hook him as well? Oh no, get him in the neck.
Wait, is that a GT?
GT, yeah. On the deck, up here. Oh, that's a rip.
Get the lure in it.
Beauty.
Little GT. Thomas Schmidt catched it. The old man.
They put up a good fight, those little things, eh?
Alright, Dad's just released his fish, and Matthias has hooked onto what we think might be a tuna. The sounder is looking like that. Pretty hectic, so I'm dropping down as well.
Yeah, it's a big school of GT, that's what they are.
What is it? Another GT. Woo! Another GT.
Oh,
Sort of
too much line. Oh.
Very nice. Yes. Bloody hobby fish.
Yeah.
Phew. Cheers on the little GTs.
Yeah, get it.
Oh shit, it's
Valley.
Go. Recording.
Alright, we're on to something decent.
Set is something. You see, my small bait worked.
Central Valley.
It might be a nice
What's that? I don't know.
That's mackerel. Looks long.
Looks like Central Valley.
Is it a trout?
Oh, it is. It's something.
it's a mackerel.
Central Valley.
We'll find out when you get him up.
Looks small. There's a shark. There's a shark right under it.
Is there a shark right on
Yeah.
there? No, it's a GT. Oh, big golden.
Oh, big golden, yeah. These things are awesome.
Oh, there's another one.
Watch out. This is your...
Dad, grab this rod.
Hold on, no, he's good.
Oh, you got it.
What?
I think you got mine.
Oh, no, it's harum, it's not golden.
Oh.
Here, Romeo, hold that.
What is it?
I think it's...
Nice little Trev. What do you call this one?
I don't know, bludger or something like that.
Don't know the name, but still a nice fish. Literally smallest piece of bait, and we got him. We'll put him back.
Oh my God, he's running straight towards me.
Oh, Mackie?
Good Spanish.
Yes.
Nah, shark. Yeah, there's another one down with him. Look at it.
Another Trev.
Shark, no, shark.
Not Spanish.
Nah, shark behind you. Just over there. Oh, you can see the bottom here. That's what happens when you go over the bottom. Oh, look at that little bit.
Small fella, come right in. Yeah, very nice. Another little Trev. We put him back in the water.
Get a rainbow runner.
I'm trying to get a rainbow runner. Nice trout.
Oh, that's a big trout.
Still not as big as your one. Fresh trout. Caught less than 30 minutes ago.
Matthias, pass me the water bottle under you.
What?
Under you, water bottle.
You know, they look bigger, but the head is small. It's like the body's way bigger than the head.
Alright, so we've all hopped out of the water and we're done for spearing for the day. So we dived, what was it called? Bragg's Reef and Backnumbers Reef, and they were both amazing. Like, I haven't actually been this far out and I've never seen a reef that has so much life. And even though we didn't score in terms of the spearing, it was just like insanely amazing to be down and just like having a look at the fish. And I'm seriously impressed. And Matthias,
Shot a bit good after I lost it. Zach didn't caught it on camera, but yeah, you know, that's life.
Yeah, he just lost a lot of fish because he sucks. I'm still teaching him how to spear. Alright, so we're just trying to find a spot to anchor for the night. Sun's on its way down, and oddly enough, a really unsuccessful day to start with. So we're hoping tomorrow picks up because it's been terrible. Like, the reef, don't get me wrong, the reef was the most amazing thing I'd seen, but everything else just didn't work out that well. But I mean, I was so happy to see that the reef was just so alive, and it had some insane just coral life and reef life. I saw so many fish that I've never seen before, and honestly, just I loved it. Alright, so we've anchored up, but might not have the best spot, so who knows what's gonna happen. But I mean, the sky is looking beautiful and we've had an amazing day, so I'm just happy. And you know, that spearfishing stuff's just insane. Like, just being down there with those fish and just seeing the life, it's the best thing ever. And I think that's why So many people should get into that, but yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, sunset fish.
It's long. That's a shark.
What is it?
Shark.
Knew it.